Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Google Chrome got an update today. And that update, once again, and this is mysterious, it seems to be just bug fixes because it doesn't give any details of security fixes. But a couple of weeks ago, they did the same thing, and we kind of ended up, reading in between the lines that there must have been some security aspect to it. So anyways, if you go to the upper right corner, you go into help and about Google Chrome, you'll be moved to 141.0.7390.122 or 123. And it just says that it has some fixes that you can see in their log, which, by the way, should be so much easier to understand than what they are actually telling us and showing us, because it was very cryptic and very bizarre. I don't know why they don't do an actual simple list that everybody could understand when they do their updates like that. So it seems like no security updates, just some bug fixes and some tweaks within the browser. If there are some security updates, well, they're not telling us. This is why also, you got to be careful, because Google tends to want to be very, very secretive about the security updates, as they don't want the bad guys to learn too much about the security flaws in Chromium and in Google Chrome in general. So anyways, there is an update, but we don't know if there's any security in there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.